Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to use the code finder tool in GetStencil. Stencil doesn't offer a direct code library anymore. Here are some alternative steps that you can take to add codes to your design. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com. Now you can find codes online. Use trusted code sites like Binary Code, Goodreads or Wikicodes to find codes that match your theme or message. After that, open up your canvas. From here, use the Add Text tool. After that, type in your code here. You can adjust its size from here. Customize the font size, color and alignment to make the code stand out. This option will give you flexibility and add codes to your design even without a built-in code finder tool. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.